To find the Jenkins username and password, follow these steps. Access Jenkins. Navigate to your Jenkins instance using the URL. Enter the administrator username if it was set during the initial setup. Finding the admin password. There are different ways to retrieve the Jenkins admin password depending on the installation method. Using initial admin password file. Check Jenkins home directory. On the server hosting Jenkins, navigate to the Jenkins home directory. Find the initial admin password. Inside the home directory, look for the file named initial admin password. View the password. Open the file with a text editor to see the randomly generated admin password. Using CLI. Alternatively, you can retrieve the password from the Jenkins CLI. Resetting password. If you lost access to the password, you can reset the Jenkins administrator password. Stop Jenkins. Delete the jenkins.security.security realm file. Restart Jenkins and create a new password.